Lotshani babukeli be-Dope Hot and Fresh. Ibizo lami ngingu-Senzo Jiyane umbandreni umatshalinyama. Ngwala eMpumalanga eMiddleburg. I'm a singer-songwriter and guitarist. I specialize ngomvumo oyi-country ne-folk. Yeah, so i-inspiration yami ithome ngika grade 5. So bengu school choir. So the reason why I joined school choir is because benginomzimba man, mzimba mkhulu, so ngakhona participate kuma sports and whatnot. So it was compulsory for us to partake in something esikolweni. So ngangena ichoir. So nangenela ichoir so bekuno teacher omunye Mrs. Jonker. So Mrs. Jonker weza the husband akhe one of the choir practices. So bekaphethe guitar. Nangithi hayi man queen look angiyazi into le like yabona ukuthi khulele lokushidi, we're not exposed to those things. Yabo so ngibona igatara besifuma ingoma eAfrikaans. So yeah asidlalela. So hayi man sukela lelo langa nangibuyele ekhaya lokho ngizibuza ukuthi khuyini mara into le. Okay. Isikhathi sikhambe vele iminyaka ikhambe benginomalume Sipho Jiyane. So umalumami ngibo abantu bokuthoma mhlambe esingathi efamily laba bathoma ngathi baba nembereko ecacako yabo. So malumama thanda ukuthenga ama CDs, thanda ukuthenga ama CDs abo Tracy Chapman, abo Michael Jackson, abo Michael Bolton yabo. So Bob Dylan umvumo njalo ngolo wathoma ukunginspire because bekahlala udlala njalo. And then ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngikhambe na edrobheni ngisesemncane angijiye ekoloyini. So nangijiye ekoloyini njalo aphuma yokwenza izinto azenzako akhiya ikoloyi vele angijiye. And then bekuloko udlala ingoma ka Tracy Chapman ethi Baby Can I Hold You Tonight ne ngimncane lokho iyadlala igcine siyidlala lesengqondweni. So lokho ngiyayi-imitate and from that day ngayithanda and ngoyumuntu inspire cool Tracy Chapman. And then discover ukuthi udlala neguitar kani into le ngayibona ngenza grade 5. So from there I never looked back. So after high school ngathola amatohwana. Nangithola amatohwana, the first thing I did ngalepa iguitar. Ngathi lento le lokho yangijisa vele ngifuna ukuyenza. Ngalepa iguitar. That's when I got my first guitar. And then kazama ngithokoze izinto ezifana nabo YouTube ngakhona ukuthi ngiyakhona ngifunda ama basics ukuthi okay idlala so ama chords in. And then from there on ngathoma ke ngafuna abanye abantu abadlala ama guitar. So ngahlangana no uKatlego Maphetho yinto wayifundela esikolweni iGuitar so eLimpopo. Ngumuntu wangimolda wangifundisa izinto eziningikhulu ngila ngikhona kwingenxa yakaTatlego Maphetho nalama skills awasherana. Ama hardships engihlangabezane nawo nofana engihlangabezana nawo kulomkhakha ngiwo wezimvumo kokuthoma umvumo lo engiwenzako uhluke khulu. So abantu abaningi abawuzwisisi. So esikhathini esiningi I do get criticized kuthiwe like I'm not African enough, I'm trying to be Western, yabo izinto ezinjalo, and that can be discouraging at times. So now ugcine so wenza nezinto ezingasi aligned with your vision because you're trying to please other people. So uzama kuba African, so uzama kuwenzani yabona umvumo lo wena ungasuka ehlizweni. So ngabona ukuthi lokho akungiberekeli. Let me rather stick to who I am because this is who I am. I am country music. Yabo this thing stems from somewhere ngisesemncane into engikhule ngayo yabo. So ene yinto ekhona ukuthi representa mina as uSenzsation yabo ngikwazi ukuthi ngizi express kuhle ebantwini ngikhambise nomlayezo lo ngikukhambisa ebantwini. Amanye ama hardships as a local artist ukuthola ama gigs kunzima. Esikhathini esiningi abafuna ukusibhadela but basibhadela nge-exposure. So yeah, exposure ba expecta ukuthi uperforme mahala, and sometimes you need to travel. Now travela uberegisa imali yakho uke studio imali yakho. Now my challenges lawo as an artist nawungayenzi imali and kuphume esikhwameni sakho, so you have to find other means to make money. Sometimes you have to find jobs so ukuthi ufinance your dreams yabo and your music career. So ngamanye ama challenges esihlangabezana nawo. Amanye ama challenges ukuthi nawune gig mhlawumbe eJoburg or travel public transport akusimnandi ukhamba uthwele igatara konke phezulu. It's really not nice yabo. So lawo ngiwa amanye ama challenges engihlangabezana nawo mina as an artist. So i-country music mina ngiyazama ukuthi ngifake isikhethu njengoba ubona the way I dress negatara la igwaliwe uyayibona isikhethu esiNdebele ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi ngiyazichenya ngobumina bami ukuthi ngibuyaphi nokuthi ngilindebele ngiyazichenya ngalokho nasemvumeni wami ngiyazama ukuthi ngifake isikhethu isintu is not only English. So although it's country music, it's my country music uyayibona njengoba ngihlala eNingizimu Africa and we have diverse languages, so I also incorporate those languages in my music. That's how I'm able to be 100% authentic. Okay, so the things I've achieved so far, I can say 2019 ngawina music competition. It was a national competition, it was IKO music competition. I won it ngama votes. So ngaba nethuba lokuthi ngibereke nobaba uBlondi Magene owangihelebha kakhulu in terms of songwriting nokuthi I should write from the heart, and then I shouldn't be vague in my music. My music should carry a message. What am I portraying? What do I want people to get out of my music? Izinto ezibaleke kakhulu engazithola kubaba uBlondi Magene. And then okunye ngiperformile Mbombela Stadium, so ngaperforma nama artists amakhulu abo KO abo Ndlovukazi, and then also ngisharile istage Themba Senamela Stadium nabo Dr. Dumi nabo Fifi Cooper abantu abanjalo. And also yeah ngiperformile nase Silver Star Casino performing for international guests. That was like the pinnacle of my career. And also I've been part of Talent Africa, where I've made it to the regional round, where is in Njalo. And I've also have my music on social networks. I have music videos out, and now I'm recognized as Senzsation. I no longer have to introduce myself in most cases. Abantu sebangazi and bayithanda into le engenzako because it's different. Abantu bayathanda ukuzwa into different. And also another thing, I think ibakhumbuza ngeenkathi leza zakade abo Tracy Chapman and because they can relate, they're able to relate and resonate with that. So nagologo works in my advantage. And another thing that works in my advantage is because ekhona in my advantage ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuperformela abantu benhlanga ezihlukahlukene, amakhuwa, abantu abanzima, and people of different languages. That's the advantage of it. So it opens a lot of doors for me. I invalid ukuthi when you're in this specific box, I'm not boxed. I'm able to spread my wings and reach abantu abaningi njengoba sazi ukuthi iNingizimu Africa is a rainbow nation. So umvumo wami ufaka wonke umuntu phakathi, and i-message i-one, because I sing about real life issues, I write about real life issues, izinto esizibonako ezenzakalako each and every day. So I feel like it's my duty as an artist ukuthi ngiziveze indrezo and create a dialogue. Let's talk about these things, and for me it's important to use my platform for the greater good of this country. So igama la Senzsation, like I've tried different names, stage names, and I remember one time ngikhuluma nomngane wami ku WhatsApp, so umngane wathi sure Senzsation. I'm like, Senzsation? Oh, and then there's a nice ring to it, so really I went with it. Kasalanga's was a Senzsation up to this day. And Senzsation, it's a feeling, so I make music with feeling, so it was very fitting. So ngiyamthokoza umngane wami loyo. The thing is into engayishare namanye ama-artists about being unique is that kubaluleke kakhulu to be different. It sets you apart from everyone else. Automatically, when you enter a room, immediately you open your mouth, like automatically you're set apart from everyone else. And ikunika namathuba maningi because there's not a lot of authenticity out there. So when uzibekela ama-chances are more to be recognized. So kubalula ukuthi abantu bakukhumbule nokukhumbula ukuthi oh Senzsation lo yenza country, because there's not a lot of Senzsation in the country. So that alone sets you apart. So it's important to know who you are, ukuthi wena ungubani, and that's gonna translate nabantu, they're gonna receive it. So lokho kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uzazi ukuthi ungubani, know who you are. Mina state of music in terms eMpumalanga, ngibona ukuthi there's a division and opportunities are only awarded to certain people. There's Lowveld, there's Highveld. So there's that division. So if you don't belong somewhere, then you're not going to benefit anything, because we always see the same people receiving same opportunities. What about others? So lendo leyo, that's why a lot of people bafuna ukuphuma eMpumalanga and go to places like Johannesburg for opportunities, where else nathi like haya singazithomela into yethu movement sikhule before siphuma singaphandle, because support ithoma ekhaya. But lokho akwenzeki. Even from our local municipalities, we don't receive support. Benza ama events in municipality, and the people they call is people from outside and leaving behind local artists. Local artists are never given any opportunity to showcase. And when I was talking exposure this, but they take hundreds and thousands of rents, and 100,000 can pay a lot of local artists. It can do a lot, and local, that's what helps the artist brand. And that same money you pay that artist, the artist lakhona ukuthi libisele back into the brand. Lukhona ukuthi mhlambe le studio record or take better pictures, quality pictures for promotion. But none of that happens. Especially like in Middleburg, we're facing that problem. And also we don't have the art center. We've been talking to the municipality about such things, but they're not taking us seriously as artists. And remember, Artist Daily One can employ a lot of people. That's what they forget. Artist Daily One can employ the accountant, can employ PR manager, dancers, photographer. Isn't it njalo? But I guess the art is overlooked, and hopefully one day they will catch up. Okay, so you can catch me on social media. So I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And then handle E1. It's Senzsation Black Ken. Senzsation Black Ken across all platforms. In Berkisa, handle A1. And also you can get me through WhatsApp or calls. My number is 062 620 7165. 062 620 7165 for bookings or for appearances or collaborations. You can get me there. I'm available. Thank you so much. Sithokoze khulu ku Dope Hot and Fresh ukuthi bangivakatshele elangeni namhlanje bazokuzihlangothi lami le story lokuthi uSenzsation ngubani ubuyaphi begodu uyaphi. Sithokoze khulu Dope Hot and Fresh. Please like, subscribe to the page, because kunengikhulu abanilethela khona. So stay tuned. Ingoma le engizoyenza is an original song. Name of the song is called My Country. My Country, So South Africa is a beautiful country, but its name is in like about GPV, unemployment for young people. Abantwana abancane bayahlukunyezwa. So ingoma le is to highlight that and hopefully inspire you guys to take a stand and to speak up about such issues, because it's up to me and you to make a difference out there. Thank you.
the news, then I see sad stories. Another day of grief. Woman has been murdered. Is it gonna end? This country is in shambles. Lord, save us now. My country, women's killed every day. My country, children's rights are violated. My country, there are no jobs for the youth. My country, my country, my country. Women's killed every day. My country, children's rights are violated. My country, there are no jobs for the youth. My country, my country. We don't fear their bullets. They can shoot us down, and we'll stand up tall, rise above it all. We'll fight for education and equality. We will take this country to greater heights. My country, women's killed every day. My country, children's rights are violated. My country, there are no jobs for the youth. My country, my country, my country. Women's killed every day. My country, there are no jobs for the youth. My country, my country, my country, my country, my country. Women's killed every day. My country, my country, my country.